Welcome to NorCal Succulent Shop. Today I'm going to give out a coupon code to get a discount on future purchases. Here's all the orders I'm going to ship out on Monday so far. I just got done pulling them. Here's what I have in my shop right now. I'm running low on inventory. Had a lot of orders go out this week. Everyone's sitting at home from the coronavirus. So as you can see, I sold out of a lot of things. But hopefully later this week I'll go down and get a little more inventory. Got some variegated string of pearls I'm propagating. Gonna make a lot of little 2-inch pots coming soon to the store. Growing some more fire sticks. Here's some of the little spirits I've made. Some cool wood that I'm gonna make something out of here. I got a package from Jordy over at Carver & Fusion. I'm gonna open it, do an unboxing. It's a bunch of his old wood spirits when he first started his channel. So here we go, let's open the box. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm gonna have to get me a new knife here from my friend over at CrownPointe Customs. If you haven't checked them out, he makes custom knives. I'm gonna have to go out to his house and have him make me one, because this thing is not sharp. The knives he makes cut like butter. Alright, this is from Jordy Johnson over at Carving Fusion. Go check out his page. He's almost at 15,000 subscribers, and when he gets there, he's going to do a giveaway of something. I think it's going to be a wood spirit. That's his favorite favorite thing to make. Is one of his stickers. And let's see, the wood spirit says what a wood spirit is, so we'll read that in a little bit. Thank you, Jordy. Number 2. These are great, Jordy. You can see he signs his pieces. This is his older ones, and it has little hangers so you can hang them on the wall. Line them all up. Let's see what we got. Cute little guy. I have to keep a couple of these for myself, Jordy. Discount code for this video, if you want to go order some plants, our discount code will be Stay Home. Again, our discount code is Stay Home. Right, and the rest of this is something that I wanted to try for a while. This is cottonwood bark. I've never carved it, but I'm gonna give it a shot here. Maybe make another video. Try and make myself some carvings out of this. So, thank you, Jordy. I got from Jordy over at Carve & Fusion. Got a bunch of wood spirits that he's carved. They all have holes in the top to add some succulents. I think I'm going to add some string of pearls and see what they look like. Look at these beautiful Echeveria raindrops I just took photos of. I'm going to add these to the shop inventory here later tonight. I got some string of pearls, and we're going to put it inside this guy right here. Let me know if I should be adding these wood spirit succulent holders to my shop, if you guys would like them. Some people think they look like a thing called a green man. I haven't looked that up yet to see exactly what that is, but let's see here. Let's see, we'll need a little more. What do you guys think of that? Did we show them some stuff we have in the greenhouse? All right, let's do it. Right here we got some regular jelly beans. We carry pink jelly beans. We got some spiderweb succulents here. Look like they have spider webs on them. I'm not sure if I can cut these little flowers off and they'll grow a new plant or not. If anybody knows, leave me a comment. People love these here. I forgot the name of them right now, but they're pretty cool. This is a watch chain. Maybe I should put this in the wood spirit. Or do you think this one will look better, a tall one? Not sure. Some bright green hair. That would look kind of cool. See what it would look like. Yeah, look pretty good. You might have to try that. I got some, give him a funny looking haircut with a propeller succulent. This is kind of low on inventory right now. I sold a lot of plants this week. Actually, since, what is it? Since September 2019 is when I opened. I think it was October 12th. I had my first sale. And today, April 5th, I just hit 5,000 sales. Thank you to everybody that's ordered.